Right, gear lever. It's a bit wobbly anyway, this one, but I think. Oh yeah. Right, just unscrews on the top. Presumably that little nut holds it in place when it's in the right place. Yeah, so we just get that working at the end. I've just pulled this rubber from underneath here, and then I'm going to get rid of these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 crosshead screws. That's easier, and presumably we can then get that out somehow. Right, let's have a look at this first. I'm going to remove this cover. Some of these aren't even done up. Not sure how effective these are. I don't think they're... well, that one's holding something. One was holding something, and they've got a little washer or a lock washer underneath them. A little washer. Put them in a pot with the gear lever. And then after this job, we're going to get the gear lever out, and then we've got to get the handbrake released. I think there's also some gearbox oil to... oh, that comes off all right. Ah, good. Right, I'll have to have a look in the book as to how... ah, there's a very large spring type of washer in there. So I think I'll just pinch this and remove that, and then see if that comes out. Alright. Well, I couldn't find any way of releasing that, but I just squeezed this, I don't know what these are called, sort of like a big circlip together, and it popped out. And underneath we have a spring, which probably holds it all down in there, and it looks like it's, yeah, okay, so that goes in there. There's two little marks, indentations, which fit in with two little screws there. Presumably they hold it, but oh yeah, just pushes back in, so we can put that back together when we've cleaned it up. So there you are, how to remove a gear lever. So that will then drop down there when we drop it down, take the engine out. Good, that's the gear lever done. Pop it in there so I don't lose anything.